この番組はご覧のスポンサーの提供でお送りしました。
Today's video sponsor is Time Machine. If you own an A86 like myself, then you will know it is so hard to find parts for the A86. Such as this Senki grill right here. It took me years to find one in Japan and it is so expensive nowadays. But thanks to Time Machine, they made a lot of A86 reproduction parts such as this Senki grill right here, the eyelid, window visors, or even the Trueno emblem. They sell it for a reasonable price and you don't have to pay a ton of money or even searching for them in Japan. It is time to make your 86 like new again. So hop onto their website at timemachine86.com and use our discount code TOFU for a 5% off your entire order when you spend over $260. Okay, so let's get back to today's video. What's up guys, welcome back to the Fujiwara Tofu Cafe channel. So today we're going to be working on our abandoned A6. We're going to install a few things in there, all thanks to our newest sponsor, Time Machine. If you're not familiar with them, they are actually based in Hong Kong, which is where I came from. They made a lot of reproduction 86 parts for the A86. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it. Let's open them up and see what they sent us. Yo! Okay, I'm guessing this is the window visors. I'm not sure what this is, but yeah, let's open them up. Oh. Whoa, holy shit. It actually looks pretty good. I really love how they put stamps on their parts, just like how they did it in Japan. This window visor looks really good comparing to the OEM Trueno visors on my car. Yeah, let's just put it on the car and see how it fits. Sorry, the car is so dirty. The car has been sitting in my backyard ever since Joshua finished it. Let's see. Let's roll down the window. So this is the passenger side. It's hard to put it on with just one hand. Let's see. Yep, and then you just have to roll back the window. There you go. Goes fast. It's kind of loose, but it fits perfectly. Don't get me wrong, it fits perfectly, but I think to secure it, I would say put some double-sided tape in there to make sure it sticks on, because it's kind of loose, as you can see. You don't want to lose it when you're driving on a freeway, you know. But yeah, it came out good. Super easy. And now let's install the driver's side. Yep, it fits perfectly, as you can see. But as I said before, it's better to put like double-sided tape inside where the plastic trim and the window visor is. Then next, I believe this is the Senki grill for our Senki bumper. As you can see, we're missing this piece right here. Yep. So let's open it up and install it. Wow. It feels and it looks exactly like my OEM grill that I got in Japan. It is the same material too, so this is actually pretty impressive. Let me show you what my Senki grill looks like. Hold on. Now check this out. It looks exactly the same. Like all the material, the finish, it looks exactly the same. Yeah, Time Machine sure did a great job on this. Unbelievable. One thing that surprised me the most is Time Machine actually include the clips on their front grille, because the clips on the OEM grill just break so easily. That's why a lot of people just rather put zip ties on there instead. So yeah, let's install it. It should be pretty straightforward. Goes right here. Yep. And same on this side. Done. Ting. Now let's close the hood. Sick. Yeah, it fits perfectly. You just have to fix this bumper right here so it's gonna sit flush. But yeah, it fits perfectly, just like OEM. Good job, Time Machine. Then next we have the headlight trim from Time Machine. Let's open it up. This should be the last one. Yeah, that's the last one in the package. Oh, it's actually carbon fiber as well. Oh, it's not just regular wet carbon fiber. This is dry carbon fiber. Wow, holy shit. And they also include the stems inside too. Sick. Let's install it. To take the trim off, it's actually pretty easy. You just have to remove 4 bolts. So 2 bolts here, and there's also 2 bolts on the other side. So you just have to remove those bolts and the cover should come right off. Yep, there you go. The old covers are off, and now let's put on the new dry carbon headlight trims. Yeah, it fits perfectly. I'll just have to put the bolts back and we'll be done. And just like that, we installed the dry carbon headlight trims on both sides. What do you guys think? Yeah, I'm sorry, I know the car is so dirty and it's not in the best condition as you can see, but I promise you guys that once we fully finish the car, it's gonna look way better than my other one. Yeah, Time Machine sure did a great job making these Reproduction 86 parts. I'm really looking forward to what else they're gonna make in the future, not gonna lie. But yeah, let me know in the comment below what do you guys think. Thank you, Time Machine. As you guys can see, we are currently missing a Toyota license plate trim or garnish over here, and that is because we removed ours and sent it to Time Machine to have them 3D scan it, and eventually they're gonna release it on their website. So I'm really looking forward to it. They actually sent me a screenshot before and it came out so nice. It's just like OEM. So when they released it, I'm sure you guys gonna know it came out from this car. So a lot of you guys been asking me, what's the plan with this car? To be honest, I don't really know yet, but as of right now, I'm planning to get most of the reproduction parts that's available in the market into this car. Because you know what Time Machine is doing right now is actually helping the community a lot. Because most of the 86 parts are discontinued already, and people are selling the used parts for way too expensive, and not every one of us can afford it. So they are really helping the 86 community a lot. They are affordable and they can always make them, right? So yeah, here I want to say thank you to Time Machine once again for sponsoring this build, the abandoned A6. It came out awesome and it really just looked and feel just like OEM. It fits just like OEM too, so I'm really looking forward to what else you guys gonna make in the future. So if you guys gonna make anything in the future for this car, feel free to send them to us. We would love to test them on our abandoned A6. So yeah, I guess that's it for today's video. If you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and leave us a comment down below. As always, everything starts with a dream. I'll see you guys. Oh, A6 Day. Yeah, A6 Day is coming. You guys know that. Yeah, I'll see you guys in A6 Day. Laters.